Next up, Antennas Direct ClearStream 2V. The Antennas Direct ClearStream 2V TV antenna is ideal for suburban and rural areas where heavy foliage or other potential obstructions may hamper incoming transmissions. This antenna has a range of up to 60 miles and receives plenty of high-definition UHF and VHF local broadcast channels for free. It can be installed indoors or outdoors, or even in your attic, which is a good thing, especially since it has a look that isn't exactly unobtrusive. Appearances aside, this antenna comes with everything you need for mounting and setup. But unlike the Mohu Leaf Supreme Pro TV antenna, you'll have to buy the coaxial cable separately. But that's understandable, as the more flexible installation options will require more cable than the 12 feet supplied by the Mohu Leaf. Getting up and running is pretty straightforward. The parts of the antenna snap together and are secured using a few screws. To finish up, you attach the coaxial cable to the terminal on the back and route the cable to your TV. Placement is handled a bit differently with this antenna, and like the Mohu Leaf Supreme Pro, you'll get guidance on how to place it. Using a website, you'll enter your zip code to get a list of stations and their distance from your location, along with a precise compass heading to point the ClearStream 2V in to get the best performance out of it. All that's left to do is run a channel scan to let the antenna discover and add available channels from networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, CW, PBS, and more in 1080p where available, and with quality comparable to cable or satellite providers. The Antennas Direct ClearStream 2V antenna is perfect for suburban and rural areas and for anyone who wants greater flexibility when it comes to installation options. Setup is simple, and the ClearStream 2V antenna receives both UHF and VHF signals with a range of up to 60 miles.